Hello, friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. And today, I'd like to share with you an encouraging Bible verse that has helped me many times. In Philippians 4:13 says, "I can do all strength. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." And my reflection in this verse reminds me that no matter how big the challenges we face, we can rely on God for strength. For me, when I feel like giving up, I take a moment to pray and ask God for help. And somehow I find the courage to keep going. And I hope this encourages you to trust God's strength in your life too. Okay, guys, thank you for listening, and let me know in the comments how this verse speaks to you. Stay blessed, and God bless you all the time.